Luxury reimagined is not merely experienced. It is stretched to new extremes, reshaping the boundaries of elegance and innovation on wheels. Today, we are exploring the world's longest, new 2025 Limousine, which has been celebrated as a remarkable addition to the world of luxury cars, redefining what it means to travel in style and grandeur. Known for its astonishing size, the Limousine has been designed to cater to those who demand both luxury and exclusivity. With its cutting-edge features and history of continual modification, this vehicle has become a benchmark in the world of premium automobiles. The evolution of this legendary limousine has been marked by groundbreaking advancements. First introduced as a symbol of extravagance, the car was later transformed with futuristic enhancements to suit modern luxury standards. Over the years, it has been upgraded with the most innovative technologies, setting it apart from other high-end vehicles. The 2025 version stands as the most advanced yet, embodying precision engineering and artistic design. The interior has been crafted with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring that passengers experience unmatched comfort. A lounge-style seating arrangement has been incorporated, allowing for the accommodation of up to 30 individuals with ease. Plush leather upholstery combined with ambient lighting creates an atmosphere of opulence. Advanced climate control systems and an array of entertainment options, including touchscreen displays and premium audio setups, are provided for a superior travel experience. What truly sets this limousine apart is its suite of unparalleled features. A mini wellness zone with a jacuzzi, a state-of-the-art bar, and a private theater room have been integrated, offering an experience that is both relaxing and entertaining. The exterior design reflects a balance of timeless elegance and modern sophistication, featuring sleek lines and a signature chrome finish that commands attention. The latest edition has been equipped with advanced hybrid technology, making it a powerful yet eco-friendly choice. This has been combined with adaptive suspension and precision handling systems, ensuring smooth rides across all terrains. The price for this masterpiece has been estimated at approximately $1.5 million, reflecting the craftsmanship and innovation it represents. This limousine is not merely a vehicle, it is a moving statement of luxury and vision. It continues to inspire awe and admiration, showcasing what can be achieved when innovation meets artistry. Whether viewed as a mode of transportation or a piece of automotive history, the new 2025 Limousine leaves an unforgettable impression on all who encounter it.